I'm here back. Woo! Going home this weekend. Gotta ride up to the top floor because I parked rooftop because I lost count, honestly, when I was driving up here. It's a gorgeous day outside today. Look at it. Gorgeous. Let's get these keys. To me car. Let's get in old Jasmine here. Oh, my hat. Now let's head home. Ooh, baby, it is raining. It's been raining. By halfway home. So, made it back home. Well, almost. Had to stop and get some cookout for me and Boo Boo, because Boo Boo's gonna meet me at the house.
When you're hungry, eat a Snickers. You ain't yourself when you're hungry, so eat a Snickers.
No, it's... You're not yourself when you're hungry. Eat a Snickers.
No,
It's not so eat a Snickers.
Oh, well, it's... I don't know when they're in it.
My neck. Woo!
It's so nice to have a cord I can actually fucking Oh.
We gonna go to the biggest town out here, Smithfield.
Raleigh.
Smithfield.
Antique and Boys.